My name is Helen, and for the STEAM Club today, we are going to make citrus volcanoes. So the supplies that you're going to need today are some citrus fruits. So I have a lemon and a lime. You're going to need some baking soda. I'll be using some food coloring, a spoon, a stick to poke with, though you would be able to just use your spoon if you want, a knife for cutting my citrus fruit, so you may need some adult assistance for the cutting part. And then I have a tray to contain my mess. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is roll my citrus fruit. So I'm going to roll the fruit to get the juices kind of flowing and get the juices loose. And once I've done that, I'm going to cut my citrus fruit in half. So there we go. So let's cut this in half. I start with my lime. Okay, so I've got that in half. And now I'm going to move on to my lemon. So what I'm going to do now is add some food coloring. So I'm going to do a couple drops here. Start with my lemon. Then we'll add some to the lime. And then I'm going to use the spoon and I'm going to kind of dig into the lemon just to mush up the pulp and get the juices flowing. Try and keep the juice inside the lemon or your citrus fruit. So there's my lemon. Now let's go on to the lime. I also have a stick that I'm going to poke it with just to get right deep as far as I can here. All right, and now we're going to add baking soda. So let's see what happens once we add the baking soda to our Can you see that? What's happening here? And we can continue sticking our stick in and watch what's happening here. We get a volcanic reaction. It's all fizzing and sizzling. So what I would suggest is for you to try this experiment using different citrus fruits. So you could use lemons or limes like I've used, grapefruits, oranges, tangerines. You can decide what kind of fruit you want to make. Don't forget to hypothesize or guess which fruits are going to have the best chemical reaction. So some of you may be wondering how this works. Well, let me tell you, the citrus fruits, in this case the lemon and the lime, contain citric acid. And when you mix that with baking soda, it reacts to form carbon dioxide and sodium citrate, which causes the liquid to fizz and bubble, which is a pretty cool chemical reaction. So thank you for watching today. Please visit our website for what's up and coming for our programs. Also, don't forget you can download ebooks, videos, audiobooks, movies, magazines, and so much more. Thank you.